I don't get this. Or why this NFTs are such a blue chip project, right? I mean, I get this, but a lot of people ask themselves why. I mean, what kind this project with the name Mythos, which probably, to be honest, I really like the name, motherfuckers, right? It's a funny name, but a lot of people ask themselves why it's so expensive, why people appreciate this so hard, right? It's basically just a JPEG. They even don't have an official Discord or an official website. They have an unofficial Discord, but it's another thing which I will explain, of course, later in this video. But why they are so popular and what the reason behind this, and in general, what is the reason behind a very strong project, right? So you can see it started here with 0.02, etc., 0.03, and then boom, it just explodes to even 6 ETH. It was at 6 ETH. Now it's around 3 ETH, near to $10,000. One of them, one of these dudes, right? Pretty strange. What is the reason behind this? So that's a question. So let me explain what I personally, in my opinion, and I will, first of all, also very important, it's all not financial advice, right? Just a crazy dude who have nothing to do, just talk with this camera, right? Not more, not less. But to be honest, I would, if you have the money, I would buy one piece of them, two, maybe three, because I'm very sure they will keep going up in price. Let me show you why. So first of all, so this guy here, they created them, and the interesting thing is, so he explained this all in here. So what are mythos? Here's my answer, right? And he explained this in this pretty nice story. I was reading it. I really liked it, and then I started to understand a little bit more, right? And he don't really promote them, or he don't invest he don't create a Discord server where he tried to create a hype. No, he was just pretty active on Discord. One of just one of the NFT people who just enjoying the space, right? And he got a lot of nice friends on Twitter in the space, right? And then he draw just his own NFT stone, and then he started a mint, and it was sold out. It was sold out. And the interesting thing behind this, and that's the reason, in my opinion, why it started to be so popular, is the community behind them starting to build this, right? So he even had no a Discord, but the community member, they opened the Discord and unofficially, officially Mythos Discord. And you can see here a lot of Mythos, they just enjoying themselves, they enjoy to be part of this community, and that's the main thing why some projects are legit and other not so, why some projects are very high tier blue chip projects and very strong projects, because of the community behind this, right? You have a lot of different mythos, right? So just other projects would try to duplicate them, but that's not this kind of project, not the original. Just original mythos, they are this part of this this group. And you can see also, for example, right, Satoshi, right, he follows every mytho. So you can see all people what he follows, right? Just mythos, right? No, not just, of course, but a lot of them. So you can just have an mytho NFT and Satoshi will follow you, and if you will become so maybe quite a name in the space or connect with the right people, it will help you if you have a following from Satoshi. And in general, also other mythos will follow, right? And that's also a lot of successful guys in this space. There's also a lot of followers. what I want to say, if you own one, you are part of this community, and this can push your NFT game, your business, whatever, right? Whatever you want to do in this NFT space. And that's the value behind this. So, and frankly, not really Satoshi built this, right? The community making this. Satoshi just making the NFT and just launch the mint, and the rest, the community who mint this, they decide what to do with the project, right? And they decide all this awesome stuff like creating their own community, creating their own Discord, right? Be active in this all. And you can see here, if we click here on link, you can see here, of course, the website, with us, unofficial Discord, and then even some unofficial metaverse, right? So some maybe developers, they starting to create metaverse, right? Where all the mythos play around, I don't know, right? And that's how, that's why this project, I think, in my opinion, is so popular, right? And the thing is, right now we are going from the bear market again back to bull run, I think, NFT bull run, and then more people will join this NFT space, and even more people will starting to notice this kind of NFT and want to participate in this kind of community, right? Because there are just a lot of benefits if you in a strong community and strong people are around you and support you in any kind of stuff, right? And this is a main reason why this NFT is so popular, and a lot of people want to join this kind of community. And you see here the price, right? So the people around them are ready to pay it. That's why this price is so high, right? And people who own a Mytha, they could sell it pretty easy for 2.8 ETH floor price, pretty easy, but they don't do this for a reason. So, and you, as soon you starting understand the reason why some Mytha, some dude who owns this kind of NFT don't want to sell it. So what is the reason behind this? As soon you're starting to understand this, then you start to understand how important the community, because he don't want to leave the community even for this money. And why? What's the reason behind this? If you're starting to understand this, then you start to understand why some projects are this kind of high-tech projects. And I strongly believe that Mythos will be even higher in price in the future, especially if the NFT market starting to getting more traction, right? So that's my thoughts about this NFT motherfuckers. I hope you enjoyed the motherfuckers, right? If you like it, leave me a like, subscribe to my channel, will be pretty cool. Otherwise, I'm also cool with this. Peace out, bye-bye.